Alright. Do it again. Oh, this ain't gonna work. That ain't gonna work at all. Let me get positioned back down the hill.
Oh, this one pile. Maybe I'm just retarded.
Trying to get the ass end slid around. There we go. So when we're mounting the winch on the front of this thing.
Oh my god.
I bought this thing for cruising and convenience, and it's tool drive and low maintenance. But this is like the third or fourth time I've taken it out, and I'm like, damn, I kind of wish I had pulled it. Seems pretty solid down here. Oh, hell yeah! Oh, well. Well, that's all she's got. You still get in it right there. Get in the truck. Huh?
You've ever seen that? The fucking inbred? No, but it's pretty bad in the soft too.
Damn, I forgot to grab my other shirt.
I was hot in town. I was not expecting it to be this cold.
Oh yeah, you had the heater blasting.
No, I mean just like outside, just wearing.
Hey, so we couldn't get the truck up, so we're hiking our tools in the rest of the way. Oh Lord, whew. It's pretty awful. All right, I guess you just heard the trip from my pocket, but yeah, I brought load number 1 up. Working on that backhoe today. Out here at this beautiful cabin in the middle of nowhere. Oh my God, is this
mud, wet. Back down the driveway now. Nice. Look at that hard worker. Just took my tool bag back down to the truck, and I'm going back up. I got one more milk crate. To go. Oh man, this is steep though. Ooh, on the wrong way.